What is the animal liberation movement? Have you ever thought about the rights of animals and how they are treated in our society? The animal liberation movement is a significant effort that aims to end the suffering and exploitation of non-human animals. It advocates for the rights and welfare of animals, arguing that they have interests that deserve recognition and protection. This movement is based on ethical principles that emphasize our moral duty to treat animals with respect and to reduce their suffering. At the heart of this movement is the challenge to speciesism. Speciesism is the belief that human interests are more important than those of other species. This bias is often compared to racism or sexism because it unfairly excludes animals from moral consideration. The animal liberation movement seeks to change this by promoting the equal consideration of animal interests in ethical decisions. Key thinkers in this movement include Peter Singer and Tom Regan. Peter Singer uses a utilitarian approach, suggesting that actions are morally right if they maximize pleasure or minimize pain for all sentient beings, including animals. Tom Regan argues that certain animals have advanced cognitive abilities, which means they have inherent moral rights. Their contributions have shaped the philosophical framework of the animal liberation movement. In practical terms, this movement advocates for changes in various practices, such as factory farming and animal testing. It encourages individuals to think about the ethical implications of their actions on animal welfare. By focusing on empathy and morality, the movement aligns with broader discussions in moral psychology. It invites us to consider how our feelings toward animals can influence our moral choices. The animal liberation movement highlights the importance of extending moral consideration beyond humans. It emphasizes that all beings capable of experiencing pleasure and pain deserve ethical treatment. This perspective encourages a more inclusive approach to moral decision-making, reminding us that our empathy can guide us toward better choices for all living beings. As we reflected on these ideas, we can better understand our role in advocating for the rights and welfare of animals.